a job that was a very tall order. Alam ko ang ano, kasi ako, ang tatay ko, pati ako, ngayon ang anak ko na, Inday, huwag ninyong payagan na, total may pulis kayo, pagka inutil yung pulis na yan, sabi, putang, sapakin ko pa yan sa, ayaw ko ng tamad-tamaran, they're there to perform their duties. Ito namang komunista, masyadong mayabang, ay terminated the ceasefire. Diyan sabi nila na kill one soldier a day. O ako, kill one in PA today and I will pay you 25,000. Kwinta-kwinta ko, mas makabarato ako eh. Totoo.